The reason we like to put corn up in the shucks is so we can do it this way, and we can prepare it without any silks on it. Using this method takes out all the silks. So here's the way we do corn. First, we leave it in the shucks. It's frozen in the shucks. I've had this laying out for a little while, so it's not just absolutely froze. Wrap it up in a towel on a paper plate. And then we're gonna microwave it on high for about 10 minutes. If it's not frozen, you may not want to go full 10 minutes. Since this has been out for a little while, I'm probably gonna go 9 minutes, just see how it does. So it's been microwaved, now we unwrap it. We're gonna cut the ends off of it, just where you think the kernels will start. Cut that off. And then start squeezing on this end, on the silk end. If it's hot, you may need a rag. Start squeezing that. And what you're doing is, as you're pulling it off, you're pulling all the silk out of it. All the silks out of it. Do another one. Cut it off. And start pushing the corn out from the silk end. Again, if it's hot, if it's just out of the microwave, be careful, it'll burn your fingers. You can see all the silks. All the silk in that. Last one. Squeeze it, wiggle it. Well, that one kind of broke off. That one didn't work good because it broke off. But you get the idea. Corn on the cob that you don't have to worry about pulling the silks off of it. Beautiful.